Today daily combo of Zen coin. Today card. I will search today card and at first click hold. I will search first card. I will select first card Lotus Temple and click. Open one card. I will search second card and click tools and search second card. Painting. I will select painting and click. Open second card. I will search third card. I will go to gems and search third card. I will select with agency and click and open. Take bonus 3 card open. Complete 3 card.